Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. I hope you all doing well. So today I'm coming with another video. I'm gonna show you how to fix the divan bed headboard and the wheels. I'm gonna show you because before I fix these two beds here, let me show you. Let me turn the camera for you. Yeah guys, before I found out how to fix this bed, it was a very nightmare for me. So yeah, this is the headboard. I've already fixed this one and that one as well. I've already fixed this one as well. So, and do those wheels there. Here, this one, yeah, I fixed it myself. Okay guys, so in this video I'm gonna show you now how to fix this one. I have not fixed this one yet, so I'm gonna show you how to fix the headboard and those wheels. Okay, so stay connected. The first thing I'm gonna do is to remove this mattress and put it to that side there. And then I'm gonna remove the bag. These are the wheels and some, don't know how we call it. You will see what I'm gonna do. So as the bed still standing up, I'm gonna put the wheels first because I don't want to put it down and then bring it up again. No. So here is the wheels. I don't know if they call it wheels or whatever. This is how it looks like. Yeah, there are six of them. Yeah, there's 6 of them in this bag. So it's very simple and easy because I was trying to, to spin it, but no, it didn't work. Now and then I found out that I need to pop it and then that's it. So I'm gonna use this one. You can use a hammer if you have a hammer. So yeah, you see, yeah, it's on already, and then that's it. Better. Just finished to put the wheel. Can you see that it's on inside? It's inside already. You can see on this one. Yeah. That one. Yeah, that one down here. Yeah, 6. Right. So guys, now it's time to fix the headboard. So guys, inside this board, to the back, you see this paper? This paper? This is the, wait. This is the downside, and this is, you know, upside. So even this paper here is showing. And now the next thing you're gonna do is just to touch you're gonna feel some hole here. There is some two holes here, and somewhere here. Yeah, all I'm gonna do is to take these two. So it looks like, yeah, I'm gonna take my, right guys, the next step now is to take this one. These two tools came together with the wheels, so now I'm gonna put it inside here. There is some holes here. I guess this one, I'm gonna remove it. Yeah, almost one. guys, I just finished. Yeah, just for a few minutes and that's it. I hope guys you're gonna like this video. Don't forget to subscribe. Don't forget to like my videos, guys. YouTube is not sharing my videos because you guys are not liking my videos. Please go and like my videos, I beg you. Be nice. Go and like my videos so that YouTube can share my videos to other people. Okay, and you too guys, don't forget to share my video as well. Maybe this video will help one of you. Okay, all right guys, thank you so much for watching and I see you in the next video. Bye bye.